Thanks, Suresh. Thanks very much for sharing this time. I still remember when we first time we met in Singapore, right?
No, I think we met at one of the TIE conference in San Francisco.
Oh, yes,
Yeah,
TIE
Santa Clara.
conference.
Correct.
That was the first interaction, and then we gone for dinner, and then we met in Singapore too.
Exactly.
So I'm more curious to know about your this current venture. This is ConnectDot. Tell me a little bit more about it. What exactly you guys do?
Sure. So ConnectDot has been a venture that's just started a couple of years back. It stemmed out of our general experience of working with the recruitment technology, the HR technology, and also with recruiters and the HR folks in Southeast Asia. So the whole idea behind ConnectDot was having all this knowledge about the front end and the back end of the whole human resources process, from the time you recruit somebody all the way through to onboarding and to essentially manage them as an employee. So ConnectDot is a company that, connects the HR dots, as we call it. Right? The focus is primarily on the talent acquisition technology, talent development technology, and talent management and maintenance technology.
Wonderful. Love it. Love the concept, love the scale. I think everybody needs these type of services. And beautiful. Do you remember how long we are associated, you and me and as a Archely?
I think it goes back to almost 5-6 years, I think, Vinay.
Oh yeah. And still this till date is for me, this question is what exactly you were trying to solve at that time when you choose an Archely?
Okay, so when we chose Archely, we were basically trying to use that technology to solve a screening problem that we had in one of the products that we were building, right? Because Archely excels in the parsing technology. And we basically wanted to use the Archely's parsing technology to parse resumes very effectively and thereby able to file, match, and rank candidates effectively to be shown to a prospective recruiter, right? So when candidates send in their resumes, our software or our technology at that time was basically about matching the candidate's details in the resume with the corresponding job description that the company had, and then figuring out a match, and then amongst that match, figuring out the top ranked candidates, to be given to the organization for an interview. So your ability to very quickly and effectively parse the contents, through the use of keywords within the resume actually helped us be able to do that matching and ranking very effectively.
Wonderful, good to know. And I'm still curious, I'm sure at that time, 5 years back, you might be evaluating different vendors, but what, you find it out, actually stand out from other people's or other options you had that time?
The thing was, you guys were very easy to work with, you, the CEO of the company, was probably the catalyst, I must say, to the culture of your company, really, in terms of how easy it was for us to express to you our need and how easy it was for you to actually come to us with your technology. And we could probably just make it work, much easier and much better than some of the other parsing technologies that we were evaluating in the market. So I think it was a simple case of, a meeting of the minds and the meeting of hearts, I would think.
Great. Good to know. And that's what we always try, that, we are something which is, we said, work, because if I talk about Archely core values, for us, customer is CEO of a company. So that's what first start with. Customer wants something, let us sit and talk. Let us try to deliver whatsoever he or she is looking for that way. Great. Good to know.
And I guess, and of course, besides that, the most important thing for us, the robust technology that you have behind your product. Right? So at the end of the day, relationships are fine, but if the product itself, doesn't scale up to what the expectation is, then it doesn't, the relationship doesn't get further, right? But in your case, there was no question about that, because your technology was so sound and solid, and the constant enhancement that you continue to make in your technology periodically, was the main reason, why we were able to continue to use that technology to do what we were doing.
Great. And do you think, as standing today down the line 5 years, we will be able to help you out to meet your business and personal goals, what you had at that time when you have chosen Archely?
The answer is a clear yes. It's a big yes, because without the technology backing of Archely, our product wouldn't have been able to produce the matching, the filing, and the ranking facility that we built, within our product and within the company. So yeah, clearly, I mean, it gave us what we wanted.
Great. And especially if we talk about your experience, like how you feel, like after achieving all these results and business and everything, and what is your experience? What is your feel on that? And can you list down 3 exclusive benefits you have experienced or you have received using Archely products?
Well, I think for us, the significant amount of accuracy in parsing was very important, because that was very important for us to cull the key information out of the resume. So I guess that was number 1 for us. Secondly, the robustness of the technology, right? At no point in time, the technology breaks. So we can be absolutely assured that when we parse a resume through your product, it will deliver the results, what is expected of it, right? And the third and most important thing for us has been your very strong customer support, I would think, right? So whenever there was any issue of any sort, and not that there were many issues, but if at all there was any issue of any sort, the speed at which you responded in your customer support, that was very significant and important for us.
No, good to know. And since you talk about customer support, specifically after sale, do you recall any incident where Archely team has gone extra mile to serve you?
Oh yes, I think I remember a couple of instances where I think we were working till the wee hours of the morning, especially just before the launch of our product, and I guess it was probably like 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. My partner and colleague Bala was working on it, and there was a point, I think, where he got stuck with something where he needed to speak to someone, and I think he basically went and tried to log a support call, and I think in about half an hour or so, actually one of your executives called him back on his mobile.
Wonderful.
I don't think he ever expected that.
No, good to know. I'm going to tell this thing to my team that, see, this is what customer tells you, that you did something good job at that time. Really.
I have to accept that, it was totally unexpected for us, and we would have been perfectly okay, if we had gotten a response, say maybe 6 hours or 7 hours later, but the fact that there was someone, looking into it and was proactive enough to pick up the phone and talk to us, I think that was very commendable.
Beautiful. And I'm just curious now, this is for me specifically. What if somebody approached you and asked you about Archely? What are you going to tell to them about us?
Well, first of all, I think the word that comes to my mind to describe your company is I would say the word genuine, right? When any conversation that I've had with either you personally or with any of your colleagues in general, I think what comes out is the genuineness in your speech and in your action, right? And that to me as a customer and as a partner, I think is extremely important, because certain things can work, certain things may not work, right? But where the relationship stands the test of time is how genuine the person is on the other end, right? So I think that is foremost as a quality, and I guess I will attribute that quality very personally, Vinay, to you as well. Every time I've spoken to you, or every time I pick up the phone and we have even a casual chat, I feel it's a very genuine person that is talking to me on the other end, right? So whatever he's saying, is just coming straight out of his heart. It's very genuine. I think that for me is foremost,
That's true. I remember a few years back when we were writing our whole positioning statement. So we said, okay, Archely is the most trusted partner for providing parsing, matching, and data enrichment for global recruitment industry. And look, like your statement tells me that yes, we are a trusted partner for achieving this whole thing.
And I think it bears testimony as well, isn't it? I mean, the significant progress, Vinay, you and your company have made over the last 3 or 4 years, that I have been, privy to. I think it's testament to the fact that you guys live for what you actually claim you live for, right? And that's been the reason for your success, I think.
Good to know. Great, Suresh. Thank you for your time. Yeah, it is awesome learning from you, and especially getting a feedback from you. It is awesome, and I'm gonna add more and more into that, and we'll talk about further again.
I absolutely appreciate the opportunity and time, Vinay. It's always a pleasure talking to you. And as I said, it's just honest comments coming out of me.